Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. It is Monday morning. It is a rainy Monday morning, which usually is really unmotivating, but I don't know, something about it being Monday today just has me excited for the day. I have eaten, I got up, ate, you've seen that a million times, just did a workout, and now I'm going to head to the grocery store because it's been a week and it's time to go back to the grocery store because we've run out of things. Mostly water again. Like, we probably could make it like 2 more days, but because we still don't have a Brita, you need more water. Actually, I think it's supposed to come today. I should check that. So I should see how much water I should get if it is gonna come today. If it's not, it's been saying it was supposed to be here like last week, so I don't know. But yeah, I just worked out. I'm going to get ready to go to the store because I like to go and then come back and like shower immediately, because like that's what you should do if you go out to the store. I didn't know that Trader Joe's is open. I thought it was closed because my mom told me it was closed, but apparently it's open. So I kind of want to go there, but I also just feel like I should just go to one store and not go to more than one. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store, and yeah, that's about it. Okay guys, I am ready to go to the store. I have my hair up, my rain jacket, I have my gloves, and I have this slip from the post office because my mom sent us something else and it tried to come Saturday, I think, so we weren't able to obviously go yesterday because it was Easter and it was Sunday, so they were closed. So I'm gonna go see what that is, go to the store, and come back. Hi guys, I just got out of the shower and got dressed. I'm throwing my clothes that I wore to, put this up here? Yeah. I'm throwing my clothes that I wore to the grocery store in the laundry right now. I'm gonna wash those, make some lunch, because it's like 12:40 and I'm starving. Yeah, that's all that's really going on right now. It's still rainy and gross. Okay, so I feel like I show this every day, but I've never told you what I use to make my lunch. So I get these 2 Good Greek yogurts. They just have 2 grams of sugar. I don't know, they're really good. And then they say a cute little thing every time. So this is the strawberry one. I just washed some strawberries I'm gonna cut up. I always do this, but I don't really show it, and it probably looks really weird. But I take these frozen blueberries and I just turn the burner on like low and I put them in a pan because we don't have a microwave, so this is the only way I can like heat them up a little bit so they're not absolutely frozen. And then I use this granola. It's just the fruit and nut, but this week I actually got a new one that I want to try, so maybe I'll try that. Actually, there's like nothing left in here. I should finish that. And then I do half of a banana, which these are looking very ripe. I was gonna make banana bread, but I'm also trying to like be healthier this week because I feel like I've been eating like crap, so I'm not gonna do that this week, maybe next week. So I just do half a banana, a few strawberries, the blueberries, granola, and then the yogurt, and that's my lunch every day. Okay, it is time to sit down, edit the podcast. I never got a chance to finish, so I'm gonna work on that right now. Hi guys, so I finished editing a vlog. I just had some chips and salsa. I'm gonna run out to my car because I want to get that package from the post office, and then I have 2 other packages here, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I know what these all are, except one my mom sent me, so I don't know what it is. All right, this one Yep. So it's just a little baby lamp, which this I think flips around and goes the other way, but it's like compact. But this is for our nightstand. I already have one like this, so I figured when we get nightstands, we can each have one of these on our nightstand. So a little lamp. Okay, next up, we have what should be our Brita. This order, I literally, like the lamp was a part of the order too. It's come in like 50 different packages. I placed the order probably like a little less than a month ago. So, woohoo! We got a Brita. We got this. It comes with a filter. And yeah, I need to set this up. Do you have to like wash the filter? Wait, you have to like do something with the filter, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, flush it with cold water for 15 seconds. Insert it into the reservoir. Press firmly and add cold water. Okay, so I need to do that so that we have water. And last but not least, I have no idea what this is. My mom sent it to us, and if you saw the last vlog, she sent us Tupperware, and I have no idea what this is. Is this pans? What is this? The heck? A big pan! Oh, and there's another thing? Wait, what is this? Is this like a... What is this? Like a, strainer? I don't really know. Does it like go in the thing? I'm confused. That's cool. Oh my goodness. We got like a pan, and it's a nice neutral color. That's so cute. Thanks, Mom. Oh yeah, it looks like it like goes like that, and it like stays in there. What else is in here? But wait, there's more. Another pan. Nice. This is like, so we have like a really small one, and then we have a really, well, not really big. We have a big one. This is a nice medium size. Pasta pan. All right, we'll be chefing it up. Thanks, Mama. It's from Cook Essentials, if you're wondering. So that's pretty cool. I guess I'm gonna go set all this up, fill the Brita up, get rid of this cardboard so it's not sitting in our house. Yeah. Okay guys, so I washed all of the Brita stuff, and now it says that I need to run this under water, cold water, for 15 seconds. So I was just washing the dishes, so I'm gonna make sure that's cold. Alright, this is the filter. I feel like my mom usually like lets this sit in something overnight, but it just says to run it under cold water. Okay. I'm gonna call that good. Okay, I just put that in. And then we put the filter in, maybe. Do we do it like that? And then it goes like this. Guys, I need to look at it. Oh no, maybe the filter goes in here. I need to look at the directions. I'm really looking up how to do it because I don't get it. Hi guys, I never did figure out the Brita. I'm waiting for Dylan to get home to help me because, okay. So this part's in here, and like this just like doesn't, let me put it on the right way. It doesn't fit. Like, I don't get it, so I need Dylan to help me. But in other news, we're gonna start making dinner. So we're gonna finish off these frozen meatballs. And do we have pasta sauce in here? No, we have some up here. So we're gonna do sauce, and then we're gonna do salads, and pasta. Should we do angel hair or shells? Okay guys, so I used like half the box. And then if you watched last week's, I'll get that in a second. If you watched last week's video, I could not get this open and I'm scared to try, so. Let's see if I can get it. Got him. I'm just gonna add this. This is fire roasted tomato and garlic. And I'm just gonna add it to the same pan the meatballs are on. Ow! Okay, so I just added the sauce to the pan. That clearly went swimmingly. It was way too hot because I was heating up the meatballs. But now I'm gonna just put it on this burner on low so that the sauce can just heat up a little bit. Pasta's in, salad's on the table. And this is our finished product. So glamorous. Hi guys, so I'm doing a face mask. We've just been watching McMillions. We're on the 3rd episode now, but Dylan is playing video games with his friends now, so I decided to come up here and do a face mask. I'm probably just gonna go sit in bed and chill on my phone while I let this dry. The face mask I'm doing right now is the Mariah Flour and Tonic Mask. And then after I take my mask off, I'm going to do my Ulta Beauty tan drops, and then I just mix it with my Earth to Skin Honey Night Lotion. So that is my plan for the rest of the night, and I will see you guys tomorrow.